Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Plus trim level. The car has aluminum alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, sunroof, and a few other features that we're going to talk about. That great big sticker up in the right-hand corner of the window is telling us that the car is a Kia certified pre-owned. Kia Canada runs a certification program. This car qualifies. Check out the features and benefits available to you. As we get on the driver's side, we'll see on the door it says Sirius XM is on. It's telling us that this car comes with Sirius XM radio for 3 months as a trial for you to enjoy. The car has power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some of the other functions. This little Forte only has 20,038 kilometers. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls as well as other functions for the car, including Bluetooth. Getting into the car, there's that Sirius XM radio. The car has a backup camera, climate control, aux and USB input ports for the radio, plus charge ports. Front cloth seats are heated. And there's a driver mode select switch, as well as push button start. As we look up, there's a nice sunroof above you. And the driver's seat is height adjustable. Down on the floor are the controls for your trunk and your filler cap release. Back seats, of course, are cloth. Plenty of room back here for any of your passengers. And in the rear of the car, a fairly large trunk for suitcases, for outdoor gear, for sports equipment, for anything else you need to carry, maybe even some groceries. There's that EX badging on the car. So this little 2017 Kia Forte is available at West Coast Kia. We're open Monday to Thursday 9 to 9, Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sunday 11 to 5. And we're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come on down, bring the family. Best way to make an informed decision about a car you are considering is to actually take the car out for a test drive. See how well the car fits your lifestyle, see how well the family fits in the car. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.